Hi guys, this is a paddy field nearby Puthupally, and it's also near to my campus. You can see the campus behind, so the big building there and the chapel and all those things. And this is a paddy field nearby my college, and this is Puthupally road. They call it as Puthupally paddy field. So greenery. There was heavy rain past 2 days, so I'm enjoying it. And I know I look ugly because I started to grow my beard, and I know it won't match me, but yet I'm trying a new look. So it will be, I'm not sure will it match me or not, but yet hope you will all suggest me a new style or clean shave. Just take a look over paddy field here. Hi guys, there's a paddy field around me. When I see this green paddy field, what comes to my mind is the Bible verse. Harvest is plentiful, but workers are few. Pray to the harvester to send people to the plenty of harvest. So friends, let's also pray to God, asking Him, Lord, send harvesters to our nation. God bless you. How greenery how greenery it is, right? And this is how paddy field looks. And you see, sun is setting itself, and now darkness will cover over the place that we are reaching. Thank you for watching my video.